Hey everyone, quick video today. I want to show you some 3D printed work that I've done and hope that you guys like this as well. Worked on these 3D printed maintenance away equipment for a little while here. This one being a tamper. Came out pretty nice, lots of detail to it. Has the extended equipment behind it. If you come in over here, you can see there's quite a few pieces of detail, hydraulic hoses and everything. The interiors are fully detailed. And not only that, but I figured out a way to tint the glass, typical of more modern pieces of equipment. This is a tie splitter designed to look like it's older, been a little more abused. The doors actually open on the other side. So let me flip that around there. You can see that. And then this one is just kind of a made up one, but this came from the same guy. All three of these came from a guy on Colts 3D for about $10 for the 3D plans. Absolutely love them. They came out nice. This one's like a crane one, kind of based off of European style. But you can also see the tinted windows on that as well. I think that came out super neat. And the way that it looks is super cool. But yeah, super happy with them. Put a lot of work in, details, weathering, all sorts of stuff like that. And that's about it. Hope you guys like that.